Did you know that the word salary comes from the Latin word solarium, which means salt money? In ancient Rome, soldiers were sometimes paid in salt because it was so valuable.
That's fascinating, Henry. Money has been part of human history for thousands of years, and learning to talk about it confidently is like having a key that unlocks many doors in life. Think of money vocabulary as tools in your toolbox. The more tools you have, the more problems you can solve, and the more opportunities you can create.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to ChillTalk English. I'm Henry.
And I'm Emma. Today, we're going to learn how to talk about money in English, from discussing pay and savings to budgeting with confidence.
You know, last month I tried to open a bank account here, and I struggled to explain what I needed. The banker kept using words like deposit and withdrawal, and I felt so confused. I realized how important it is to know the right money vocabulary.
That's so common, Henry. Money conversations can be intimidating, especially in a new language. Today, we'll teach you practical phrases for everyday money situations that will help you feel more confident and in control.
If you find this helpful, please like our video, share it with friends learning English, and subscribe to our channel for more lessons.
Scene 1. At the bank.
In our first scene, Emma and I will be at a bank. I'll play the role of Banker James, and Emma will play Customer Anna, who wants to open an account.
Let's begin.
Good morning. Welcome to Citibank. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'd like to open a bank account, please.
Certainly. What type of account are you interested in? A savings account or a checking account?
I'm not sure. What's the difference between them?
A checking account is for everyday use, like paying bills and making purchases. A savings account is for keeping money safe and earning interest.
I see. I think I need both. How much money do I need to open an account?
You can open a checking account with just $25. For a savings account, the minimum is $100.
That's good to know. Do I need to pay any fees?
Our basic checking account has no monthly fee if you keep at least $100 in it. The savings account has a small annual fee of $10.
Okay. What documents do I need to open an account?
You'll need a photo ID and proof of address, like a utility bill or a rental agreement.
I have my passport and a rental agreement.
Is that okay?
Perfect. We can get started right away. Would you like to set up online banking too?
Yes, please. That would be very convenient. Can I use my phone to check my account?
Absolutely. We have a mobile app that you can download for free. You can check your balance, transfer money, and pay bills.
That sounds great. How long does it take to open the account?
About 15 minutes. Let me get the forms for you to fill out.
Vocabulary and phrase breakdown.
Great bank conversation. Now, let's explain some key phrases.
First, open a bank account is what you say when you want to start a new account at a bank. For example, I'd like to open a bank account, or can I open a savings account?
Next, checking account and savings account are two common types of bank accounts. A checking account is for daily transactions, while a savings account is for storing money. Like in our dialogue, what's the difference between them?
Another useful phrase is pay any fees. This means asking if there are extra costs for the service. For example, do I need to pay any fees, or are there any monthly fees?
We also used proof of address. This is an official document that shows where you live. Like, you'll need proof of address, like a utility bill.
Finally, online banking and mobile app refer to digital ways to manage your money. For example, would you like to set up online banking? Or our mobile app is free to download. Excellent! Now try using these phrases the next time you visit a bank.
Scene 2. Discussing budgeting with friends.
For our second scene, Emma and I will be at a cafe. I'll play the role of Maria, and Henry will play Tom. We're friends talking about money management.
Let's begin. This coffee is delicious, but a bit expensive.
I know what you
I'm
mean.
trying to
I'm
save
on a
money
tight
this
budget, too. How much do you spend on coffee each week?
Probably about $20. I buy coffee every morning before work. What about you?
I used to do that, but now I make coffee at home. It saves me about $15 per week.
That's smart. I should try that. How do you manage your money?
I use a budgeting app on my phone. It helps me track my expenses and income.
That sounds helpful. I need to start tracking my spending. How much of your income do you save each month?
I try to save at least 20% of my salary. It's not always easy, but I know it's important for the future.
Wow, 20% is impressive. I only save about 5% of my income. I want to save more, but I have a lot of bills to pay.
I understand. Everyone's situation is different. Do you have any financial goals?
Yes, I want to save money for a vacation next year. I also need to pay off my credit card debt.
Those are good goals. I'm saving for a down payment on a house. It's a long-term goal, so I need to be patient.
That's a big goal. Do you put money aside each month for it?
Yes, I automatically transfer money to my savings account as soon as I get paid. That way, I don't spend it.
That's a great strategy. I should try that too. Thanks for the advice.
Vocabulary and phrase breakdown. Henry, great budgeting conversation. Now, let's explain some key phrases.
Emma, first, on a tight budget means you have limited money to spend. For example, I'm on a tight budget this month, or we need to plan carefully because we're on a tight budget.
Henry, next, track my expenses means to record what you spend money on. Like in our dialogue, it helps me track my expenses. You can also say, I use an app to track my expenses.
Another useful phrase is save money, which means to keep money for future use. For example, I want to save money for a vacation, or how much do you save each month?
We also used pay off my credit card debt. This means to repay money you owe on your credit card, like I need to pay off my credit card debt.
Finally, put money aside means to save money for a specific purpose. For example, I put money aside each month for emergencies, or she puts money aside for her retirement.
Now, let's practice these new phrases. Repeat after me.
I'm on a tight budget this month.
I'm on a tight budget this month.
I need to track my expenses.
I need to track my expenses.
I want to save money for a new phone.
I want to save money for a new phone.
I need to pay off my credit card debt.
I need to pay off my credit card debt.
I put money aside each month for vacation.
I put money aside each month for vacation.
How much of your income do you save?
How much of your income do you save? Great job! Now try using these phrases when talking about your own money management. Scene 3. Shopping and comparing prices. Henry, for our third scene, Emma and I will be at an electronics store. I'll play the role of customer John, and Emma will play sales assistant Lisa.
Emma, let's begin.
Excuse me, I'm interested in buying a new laptop. How much does this one cost?
This model is $899. It's our most popular one.
That's a bit expensive for me. Do you have any cheaper options?
Yes, we have this model for $699. It has fewer features, but it's still good for everyday use.
What's the difference between them?
The more expensive one has a faster processor, more storage, and a better screen. The cheaper one is fine for basic tasks like internet browsing and document writing.
I see. Do you offer any payment plans?
Yes, you can pay in installments over 12 months with no interest, or you can pay cash and get a 5% discount.
That's helpful. I think I'll go with the cheaper model. Can I pay with a credit card?
Of course, we accept all major credit cards, debit cards, and cash.
Great. Does it come with a warranty?
Yes, it comes with a 1-year warranty. You can also buy an extended warranty for an additional 2 years.
How much does the extended warranty cost?
It's $99 for 2 extra years. It covers repairs and replacements if anything goes wrong.
I think I'll just take the standard warranty. Is there a return policy?
Yes, you can return the laptop within 14 days if you're not satisfied with it.
Perfect. I'll take it. Where do I pay?
You can pay at the counter over there. I'll help you with the purchase.
Vocabulary and phrase breakdown. Emma, excellent shopping conversation. Now, let's explain some key phrases.
Henry, first, how much does this cost is a basic way to ask about the price of something. For example, how much does this laptop cost?
Or, how much does these shoes cost?
Next, cheaper options means less expensive alternatives. Like in our dialogue, do you have any cheaper options? You can also say, is there a less expensive version?
Another useful phrase is payment plans or pay in installments. This means paying for something in smaller amounts over time. For example, do you offer any payment plans? Or can I pay in installments?
We also used get a discount. This means paying less than the regular price. Like, if you pay cash, you get a 5% discount.
Finally, comes with a warranty means the product includes a promise to repair or replace it if it breaks. Like, does it come with a warranty? Or it comes with a one-year warranty. Practice these phrases. Repeat after me. How much does this cost?
How much does this cost?
Do you have any cheaper options?
Do you have any cheaper options?
Can I pay in installments?
Can I pay in installments?
If I pay cash, do I get a discount?
If I pay cash, do I get a discount?
Does it come with a warranty?
Does it come with a warranty?
What's your return policy?
What's your return policy?
Perfect! Now try using these phrases when shopping for expensive items.
Scene 4. Talking about salary with family.
For our final scene, Henry and I will be at a family dinner. I'll play the role of daughter Sarah, and Henry will play Father Robert. Let's begin.
Dad, I have some good news. I got a promotion at work.
That's wonderful, Sarah. Congratulations. Does this mean you'll earn more money?
Yes, I'll get a 10% raise in my salary. I'm really excited about it.
That's great news. You've worked hard for it. What will you do with the extra money?
I plan to save some of it and use some to pay off my student loans faster. I also want to invest in my retirement fund.
Those are very responsible decisions. How much will you save each month?
I think I can save about $200 more each month. That will help me build my emergency fund.
That's smart. It's important to have money saved for unexpected expenses. Are you happy with your job overall?
Yes, I really enjoy it. The work is interesting and my colleagues are nice. The benefits are good too.
What benefits do you get? Do you have health insurance?
Yes, the company provides health insurance and they contribute to my retirement fund. I also get paid vacation days.
That sounds like a good package. Do they offer any bonuses?
Yes, we can get bonuses based on performance. Last year, I got a small bonus and I hope to get a bigger one this year.
That's excellent. You're building a good financial foundation for your future. I'm proud of you.
Thanks, Dad. I learned a lot about money management from you and Mom.
We're happy to help. Remember, it's not just about how much you earn, but how well you manage your money.
Wonderful family conversation. Now let's explain some key phrases.
First, get a promotion means to get a higher position at work. For example, I got a promotion at work. Or, she hopes to get a promotion soon.
Next, raise in salary means getting more money for the work you do. Like in our dialogue, I'll get a 10% raise in my salary. You can also say, I asked for a raise.
Another useful phrase is pay off my student loans. This means to repay money you borrowed for education. Like, I want to pay off my student loans faster. We also used emergency fund. This is money saved for unexpected problems. Like, I need to build my emergency fund. Or, it's important to have an emergency fund.
Finally, benefits are extras you get from a job besides salary, such as health insurance or vacation days. For example, what benefits do you get? Or, the job has good benefits.
Now, let's practice these final phrases. Repeat after me.
I got a promotion at work.
I got a promotion at work. I got a raise in my salary.
I got a raise in my salary.
I need to pay off my student loans.
I need to pay off my student loans.
I'm building my emergency fund.
I'm building my emergency fund.
What benefits do you get at your job?
What benefits do you get at your job?
I get health insurance and paid vacation.
I get health insurance and paid vacation.
Excellent work. Now try using these phrases when talking about your job and money with family or friends.
Okay, everyone, let's quickly recap what we've learned so far.
We've covered essential phrases for talking about money in different situations.
We learned banking vocabulary like open a bank account and online banking.
We also practiced budgeting phrases, such as on a tight budget and track my expenses.
And we learned shopping expressions like how much does this cost and payment plans.
Finally, we covered salary and benefits vocabulary, including get a promotion and emergency fund.
Remember, these phrases will help you talk about money with more confidence in everyday situations.
In the next part, we'll give you a challenge to practice what you've learned.
Listener challenge. Now it's time for your challenge. We want you to write a sentence in the comments below about your money habits or goals.
You could say something like, I want to save money for, or I'm trying to pay off, or my financial goal is to.
We'll read some of your answers in our next episode, so don't be shy. We can't wait to hear about your money plans.
To wrap up, today we learned useful phrases for talking about money in English.
We practiced in 4 different scenarios: at the bank, discussing budgeting with friends, shopping and comparing prices, and talking about salary with family.
Remember, being able to discuss money confidently is an important skill that will help you in many areas of life.
Thank you for joining us on Chill Talk English today.
Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more lessons.
See you next time. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.